Navigating Excel interface. So what are the Excel interface? First is file. So when we click the file, you can see the new open, this one. You can see some blank. There you go. And you will go to a blank Excel. And then you go back to this one. And then files, you can save it or save as immediately. And then let's go to home. Under home, you can see the button samples. These are the button samples. And by the way, this one is what we call the live cells. This one, A, B, C, D, and then the numbers here. These are all the live cells. Okay, so under home, we have here the font and size. So where is that font? This one. You can choose different font size here. Let's try this one. Font. This one, let's choose this. And then we can choose the size. Just click this one, just like the Microsoft Word. This one, and then now let's proceed to number 3 is bold. Where is bold? The B here. This one, the capital B. Let's try to do that one here. B here. And then first you have to Control A, copy this one, and then click that one. Now let's proceed to italize. Italize sample tree. Let's do that one. Control A again, and then italize is here. This one, the slant I, the big capital slant I. That one, and then next is underline. So let's drag our arrow again here. Double click that. Control A again, and then underline is here. Capital U with underline. Next, fill color. Drag our arrow here again, the cursor, and then that one, fill color, this one, the fill color. Okay, and then font color. Font color is the letters. This one. You have to copy Control A again, and then make that one. I want this one. Dark one. Dark blue. Oops. You cannot see that. I want this red. And the other one is merge. So we're going to merge this one and this one. Let's just drag that one that way. Just click the merge here. Okay, there you go. And the next is top line, middle line, bottom line. These are for vertical line. For vertical line. And this one, let's make this one here, top line. This is the top line. So how are we going to see that one? This is the top line. This is top line. And the next middle line. Middle line. Let's make it wider so that we can see the middle line here. Okay, and then next the bottom line. Let's make this one wide. The bottom, this one. Okay. Now this one. Okay. Now let's proceed to horizontal line. A line left, a line center, and a line right. So this one. First is a line left. This one is the line left. Line left. Let's see if it's on the left side. Okay. Here on the left. And the next is a line center or center. There you go. And then a line right. You have to click that and a line right. See, it should be like that. Merge cell. Sample 14 for merging. It's also the same with merging. You can choose here. So let's try. We're done with center. Let's try this one. just click OK. And the next number format. Number format is here. We have here the general. Just click that one. You can choose to currency. This one. You have to click the general there. Something like that. Currency, counting, short page, first percentage, fraction, scientific, or we can customize that one. More number. I want to this one. Use separator. Okay, that one. You can see. And now let's proceed. The last one is insert shapes. So how are we going to insert shapes? Let's go to insert first. So click insert and we can insert shapes. These are insert shapes. I want to click that one. You can choose any. You can change as well the color. You can also change the shapes, color. You can navigate that. I hope you learned something about navigating Excel interface. Thank you, and please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. God bless.